Hello everyone, welcome to an exciting journey into the future. Tonight we're diving deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, a realm where technology meets imagination. Specifically, we're talking about how AI can help you make money, and not just in small amounts, but potentially life-changing sums. That's right, cold hard cash, courtesy of our robot overlords. Imagine having a digital assistant that can boost your income. Now before you start picturing a Terminator handing you a paycheck, let's be clear, we're not there yet, but the possibilities are endless. We are at a point where AI tools are becoming powerful enough to create real earning opportunities. These tools can analyze data, predict trends, and even automate tasks. One of these groundbreaking tools is called ChatGPT, and it's causing quite a stir in various industries. From customer service to content creation, its applications are vast. So, buckle up as we explore how this AI language model can be your ticket to the digital gold rush. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or just curious, there's something here for you. Because, frankly, the future of work is already here and it's typing away furiously on a keyboard powered by algorithms. The AI revolution isn't just coming, it's already transforming our world. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of AI and how you can leverage it to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving digital landscape. The future is now and it's incredibly exciting. ChatGPT. It sounds like something out of Star Wars, right? But it's real. And it's far less intimidating than a Death Star. ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot. Developed by OpenAI, it's basically a super smart computer program that can understand and generate human-like text. Imagine having a conversation with a computer that's not only coherent but also creative and informative. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. It can write stories, translate languages, answer your questions, and even help you write code. The possibilities are pretty much endless, which is why everyone's so excited and maybe a little terrified of its potential. One of the most obvious ways ChatGPT can help you earn money is through writing. Imagine having a tool that can assist you in generating high-quality content effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. It can help you tackle a variety of writing tasks, making your work more efficient and productive. Think of it as your tireless writing assistant, always ready to help you brainstorm ideas, craft compelling articles, or even write entire blog posts. It can save you hours of work and help you meet tight deadlines. Need to write product descriptions for an online store? ChatGPT can handle it. It can generate detailed and persuasive descriptions that can help boost your sales. Struggling to come up with engaging social media posts? ChatGPT to the rescue. It can create catchy and engaging content that can help you grow your online presence and attract more followers. The beauty of ChatGPT is that it can adapt to different writing styles and tones. Whether you need to write a formal report or a casual blog post, it can adjust its writing style to suit your needs. So whether you need something witty and conversational or formal and professional, ChatGPT can adjust accordingly. It's like having a versatile writing partner who can switch gears based on your requirements, ensuring that your content always hits the mark. In the online world, content is king. Businesses, bloggers, and influencers constantly need fresh, engaging content to attract and retain their audience. This is where ChatGPT comes in, like a digital Shakespeare, churning out words instead of sonnets. From website copy and blog articles to social media posts and email newsletters, ChatGPT can create a wide range of content. It can even help you come up with catchy headlines and titles that grab attention. And the best part? ChatGPT can produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business or creative endeavors. Section 5. From blogs to books, ChatGPT can handle it. Don't underestimate ChatGPT's writing prowess. It's capable of much more than just short-form content. In fact, some enterprising individuals are using ChatGPT to write entire books. Now, before you grab your pitchforks and torches, let's be clear. ChatGPT shouldn't replace human creativity and storytelling. However, it can be an invaluable tool for overcoming writer's block, generating plot ideas, or even fleshing out scenes. So, whether you're a seasoned novelist or a first-time author, ChatGPT can be your partner in literary crime, helping you bring your stories to life. Section 6. ChatGPT, the customer service representative of the future. Tired of dealing with angry customers and repetitive questions? ChatGPT might be the answer to your customer service woes. With its ability to understand and respond to queries in a human-like manner, ChatGPT is poised to revolutionize the customer service industry. Imagine having an army of AI-powered chatbots available 24/7 to answer questions, resolve issues, and provide support. This not only frees up human agents to handle more complex cases but also ensures faster response times and increased customer satisfaction. It's a win-win situation for businesses and customers alike. Section 7. Your virtual assistant, powered by ChatGPT. Imagine having a personal assistant who works tirelessly, never complains, and is available 24/7. That's the promise of ChatGPT as a virtual assistant. From managing your schedule and booking appointments to sending emails and conducting research, ChatGPT can handle a wide range of administrative tasks. It can even learn your preferences over time, becoming more efficient and personalized in its assistance. With ChatGPT as your virtual sidekick, you can free up valuable time to focus on more important things, like growing your business or, actually enjoying your life. Section 8. Thinking outside the box. Unique ways to monetize ChatGPT. The beauty of ChatGPT lies in its versatility. It's not just limited to writing or customer service. People are finding creative and unexpected ways to monetize this powerful AI tool. For instance, some entrepreneurs are using ChatGPT to generate personalized content for niche markets, such as creating bedtime stories for children or writing custom poetry for special occasions. Others are leveraging ChatGPT's language translation capabilities to offer translation services or create multilingual content for a global audience. The possibilities are truly endless, limited only by your imagination. Section 9. Monetizing your skills with ChatGPT. Now you might be thinking, this is all well and good, John, but I'm not a writer or a customer service rep. How can I make money with ChatGPT? That's a valid question. But here's the thing, ChatGPT can amplify your existing skills and knowledge no matter what they are. Are you a teacher? Use ChatGPT to create engaging lesson plans or interactive learning materials. Are you a musician? Use it to generate lyrics or compose melodies. Imagine having a tool that can help you brainstorm new ideas or refine your existing ones. Are you a financial analyst? Use it to analyze data and generate reports. ChatGPT can help you identify trends, make predictions, and even automate some of your routine tasks. The point is, ChatGPT is a tool. And like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill of the person wielding it. Whether you're in education, music, finance, or any other field, ChatGPT can be your ally in enhancing productivity and creativity. Think of it as a versatile assistant that can adapt to your needs. It can help you brainstorm, draft, and even edit your work. The possibilities are endless, so don't limit yourself. Explore how ChatGPT can fit into your workflow and elevate your professional game. The future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace it, and watch your skills turn into profitable ventures. Section 10. The sky's the limit, exploring the future of AI earning. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will the earning opportunities it presents. ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. In the future, we can expect to see even more sophisticated AI tools that can automate complex tasks, generate creative content, and even provide personalized education and training. This will undoubtedly create new job markets and income streams that we can't even imagine today. The key is to embrace this technological revolution and adapt our skills accordingly. Those who are willing to learn, experiment, and innovate will be the ones who thrive in this exciting new era. Section 11. Join the AI revolution and unlock your earning potential. So, there you have it. ChatGPT is more than just a fancy chatbot. It's a powerful tool that can unlock new earning potential for anyone willing to embrace it. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, enhance your existing skills, or simply explore the world of AI, ChatGPT is a great place to start. So, what are you waiting for? The AI revolution is here. Join the fun and start earning.